Hey guys, hope you can hear me. I just thought I'd make a video of me in my drive back over across the dam. See how this works out. If it don't work out, you'll never see it. But this is coming up from the dam, from the bottom of the dam, I should say. Wish I had a way to hold this better. Need to find some kind of stand or something. Figure something out. Hang on, y'all. There's the substation where all that power goes to and then gets shipped out to St. Louis. This might be a good way to show y'all what I'm. Sorry, guys. Couldn't get you to overlook because of that, but there you go. See that? Pretty cool. Car come up behind me, I had to go. And then they're sitting there looking, gawking. Freaking tourist. You know, I got a question. They call it tourist season. I want to know where I buy tags for that. I don't know if you guys see this over here on the left, but that's the impeller. Probably didn't really do it justice on the camera. That's one of the old impellers, cast impellers, before they went into different, I don't remember what type of metal they went to, but those were the old cast impellers they used to have to generate electricity with when water went through. Pretty cool though. Dwarfs me when I stand next to it, I can tell you that, and I'm a big boy. Not really, just a little chubby. That chubster. Oh, this ain't boring y'all too much. If it is, you can turn it off. I'm just gonna video going, the trip back across the dam. I wish I could get that to stay there without me holding it. Here we go. People probably think I'm crazy. My thumb's getting a cramp. I got it sitting on the dash. I'm just holding it up with my thumb so it doesn't slide and fall all over the place. And here's the dam. Y'all know what the fish said when he hit his head on concrete, don't you? I'll repeat that in case you didn't hear it. You know what the fish said when he hit his head on concrete? Damn. It's a rough old bridge. Not that much. Like I said, I hope it's not boring you to death. I hope you're not getting sick from the movement. Motor sickness. Now we're going to go over the strip. Go up the strip a little bit. This is the touristy area. You got all the little, they got a couple little watering holes, but mostly little shops and stuff. A cool little leather shop, a tattoo shop. Some old motels. Been here since, probably just after the 30s. So Ozark Barbecue, that's actually down by my place. A haunted hotel, tattoo shop, old time photos. A restaurant or two here and there, ice cream shops. I mean, everything touristy that you can think of, it's here. Over on the right is that cool little leather shop called the Leatherman. Wish more of their stuff was made in America, but that's a topic for another time. Still pretty cool little shop. I ain't kidding you. My thumb's getting cramped. Switch hands, dumbass. I wish I knew how to pause this. Every time I hit the stop or try to pause it, it flips up. Like I told you guys, I'm just a simple hillbilly. I don't know how to do all that stuff yet. My daughter, she's not home. She's spending the night with some friends. Probably spend the weekend with them. At a local strip club. Local booby bar. Woohoo! Never been in there. And I'm not kidding. I've never been in there. Oh, those helicopters you heard, you'll be able to see where they come from. They got them on the ground with the rotor spinning. I'll show them to you. I'm coming up to the stoplight real quick. And there they be. Right over there. Yeah. 2 Robinson 44s. Of course, I get stopped by the stoplight. There they are. Right in front of the Paul supermarket. Good old Paul and his supermarket. Lake Ozark Helicopters Incorporated. As low as $29. You've never seen a lake like this before. That's what the sign says over there. That's how I read that to you. Alright, here we go. That blue one's pretty cool. It got a cool little paint job on it. The white one's just plain white, but the blue one's got like an American flag flying in the breeze, ripping apart type look to it. This is... Don't worry, guys. It'll be about over here in a second. This is the toll bridge to get back over to my side of the lake. This over here is the St. Louis side, as they call it. I mean, St. Louis people come over to my side too, but my neighbor that comes down on weekends, he's St. Louis. He's a firefighter in St. Louis. There's that side of the lake, or that's the lake on the left side. That's the lake on the right side. Not a lot of boat traffic. Usually you see them boats all over the place. It's kind of crazy. Can't believe there's not more traffic. I guess everybody blew their wad last weekend with 4th of July. Water's a little brown just because of all the rain we've had. It's usually not that brown. But, oh yeah, that over there is a Jack Nicklaus golf course that I've never played because I don't pay that kind of money to play play golf. Sorry, I think it's up to like $85, $90 a round. Anyway, I'm pulling over here, guys. I don't know if y'all can see me, but yeah, that was just a little tour. That was from the dam to the toll bridge. Anyway, be good at it. Love, peace, and hair grease, y'all. See you later.